Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 33. The area of the above rectangle is 96 square centimetres. If the longer side is 50% longer than the shorter side, what is the perimeter of the rectangle? This is a nice little sum, and if you would like to solve it, you are invited to pause the video now and take time to solve it yourself. So I'll be moving on to the next slide now to discuss the solution. Here we go. Remember, the area was 96 square centimetres. Now if you remember, the longer side was 50% longer than the shorter side. So the easy way to do it is to let the shorter side be 2w. You can have any letter you want here. 2w. So the longer side would be 3w. And that makes it 50% longer than this one. So the short side will be 2w and the longer side will be 3w. It doesn't matter what you choose for that side, as long as this one works out to be 50% longer. Now, to work out the area, remember you multiply that length by that length. That gives you the area of any rectangle. So 2w by 3w is 96, because that was the area. Multiply those two together to give you 6w squared equals 96. Divide both sides by 6. W squared equals 16. So w equals 4 centimetres. So that is the value for w. Now let's go on to the next slide. Remember, w was 4 centimetres, and that was 2w. So 2 times 4 gives you 8 centimetres. 3 times 4 gives you 12 centimetres. So the short side was 2 times w, that was 8 centimetres. The long side was 3 times w, which was 12 centimetres. So for the perimeter, you just add the 4 sides up. So remember, that one has to be an 8 because it's a rectangle, and that one also has to be a 12. So the perimeter is 8 plus 12 plus 8 plus 12, and that is 40 centimetres. So that's a nice little sum, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I wonder if you were able to solve it. I'm pretty confident you would have been if you just took your time and thought about it.